Unit 8. Light and colors. Light and heat. The main source of light and heat is the sun. Other are: number 1 fire, number 2 candle. Many things only give light. Number 1 flashlight, number 2 bulb, number 3 traffic lights. Most of electric lights do not give us heat. Colors. Light is made up of lots of colors. There are 3 primary colors. Number 1 red, number 2 blue, number 3 yellow. Just mix these colors in the way. Number 1 red plus yellow equals orange. Number 2 yellow plus blue equals green. Number 3 blue plus red equals violet. Have you ever seen a rainbow? Rainbow has 7 colors. Number 1 violet, number 2 indigo, number 3 blue, number 4 green, number 5 yellow, number 6 orange, number 7 red. Circle the light sources and color them. Color the rainbow.